This is basically how to bend the run channel. It works best if you can use your glass, or if you're not comfortable using your glass, using a template of your glass. So here we just have an angle cut out of piece of wood, and we use that to keep everything together. So the most important part is to make sure that this end, this stainless, is sliding off the end here as this radius gets smaller. So as we continue to bend, we're going to be watching for that stainless to be sliding off, and it is. And you just bend a little bit, make sure everything's still moving off. So if you also want to bend it by hand, that's fine. You just make sure that these are sliding off as that radius gets smaller. If you start to feel it kink, stop right away. But this stuff is really easy to work with. So right there you've got a pretty sharp 90-degree corner. It's not kinked. And then you can go even farther if you have something custom. You can take these really sharp. Sharper than most people think. And then whenever you do go to install it, you just cut these ends off and you're ready to go. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that little bell so you get a notification whenever we upload a new video to our YouTube channel. Silver steel.